The BMW M3 CSL was a limited edition version with only about 1,400 cars being produced. In 2003, the BMW M3 CSL revolutionizes the sports car scene and sets future trends for the car's construction.
So there's so much that's special about the CSL that I don't even know where to start. I mean, the car had a carbon roof back in 2003. There's also Alcantara and carbon everywhere on the interior, even on the center console and door cards, and that's not something that you see every day. I think it looks great even today. The combination of the subtle color, the front splitters, the rims, the rear diffuser and rear boot lid, and that unmistakable stance. While it's definitely starting to look dated, I think that it's aged really gracefully. So I've had an E90 M3 and E36 project car and have also driven E46 M3s in the past. But the CSL totally surprised me by how raw and direct everything felt. The first thing that struck me was the SMG gearbox. Being so used to modern DSGs and DCTs, I've forgotten how jerky and harsh the shifts are, and I think someone driving it for the first time would almost wonder if there was something wrong with it. There's definitely a learning curve to get it to shift smoothly, which did not happen in my time with the car, but the highlight of the car is definitely the sound though. Just listen to the induction noise. That's some inline 6 magic right there. The carbon fiber intake, of course, is also something that is unique to the CSL. Prices have also really appreciated due to how rare and desirable these are now. I think there were only 500 over units that were made in right-hand drive, so it was really an experience driving this. I must admit that it also made me pretty nervous and not want to drive it hard. I hope though that I've done this car some justice. This was a car that I knew I wanted to shoot from the moment I started my channel. So do like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.